This is an Amutec Postman SDS helicopter key ride. But let's hope they fix the sound. This is finally working. Just please. Come on. Come on, Postman Pat. It won't wake up. It just takes a while for some reason. Just a minute, guys. Come on. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it finally has sound. Ready? Yeah, they finally fixed the sound. I have Amutec in 2008. And that's all we learned animations. Whoa. Let's get the joystick as well. The joystick doesn't work, obviously. But at least it's finally working. God, it has sound. They fixed the sound. Yeah, I will film Thunderbirds, but it's not working, sadly. So let's just get on it. Here's Boss over there. Yeah, I don't know if the script's working, but I'm not really going to test him today. Because I don't want to waste money on him, to be honest. But yeah, at least he has sound, though. Yeah, sorry about the delay, guys. I do apologise. Scoop's going to have a trap mode. Ready? Second ride. It doesn't have hold tight, here we go message. But for some reason this one's a Jolly Roger press button. At least they fixed it, I'm so happy. I finally get to hear the sound. I mean, it's working finally. I'm so happy. Yeah, unfortunately the helicopter doesn't even. Some weird helicopter doesn't work or something. It was just there. And also, this is one without Pat on it. If you guys noticed. Because this is a V2. There's the propeller there. To be honest. Yeah, this is actually a Rocky V2. Oh. Final ride. Here's the back of it. Amutec code is over here. Here's the Amutec over Puzzle Pat. God, I'm very happy it's working. This special delivery services always gets through. I fly this. I wish you didn't, Pat. Pat, I wish you didn't. Because it's a little bit dangerous, to be honest. I wish you didn't, Pat. To be honest. Yeah, the joystick's not working, unfortunately. But it's not in very good condition. It's missing a light there. Yeah. And that was the Amutec Postman SDS helicopter kiddie ride.